Ang song na ito ay palagi ko nang nakakanta sa church, sa bahay, ever since I was young. And I realized na throughout those years, habang kinakanta ko na ito ngayon, parang nawala na yung meaning niya para sa akin at nawala na yung essence niya because of my over familiarity. However, isang event sa school ngayong month lang, when we sang this song sa song service, and as I was looking sa lyrics ng song na ito, I realized, wow, this is beautiful. Kaya gusto ko itong i-share sa inyo. Alam nyo ba that this song is written by Joseph Gilmore. Isang church service, siya ay nag-speak ng message about Psalm 23. Yung buong chapter ng Psalm 23, sana ang kanyang isi-share. Pero, nag-focus lang siya sa isang verse. Parang may nakita siyang verse, which is verse 2. Ang sabi doon, He leadeth me beside still waters. And when he saw that, doon lang siya nag-focus, buong sermon. After ng kanyang sermon, pumunta sila ng kanyang asawa sa isang bahay ng brethren, at doon sa bahay na yon, sinulat ni Joseph Gilmore yung lyrics, yung writings, reflections niya about that verse, He leadeth me. Binigay niya ito sa kanyang asawa, at hindi niya alam, yung kanyang asawa pala ay binigay yung sulat niya sa Boston newspaper, hoping na marami ang mabless doon sa kanyang, hindi ko alam kung tula yun, basta yung lyrics, without telling Joseph. So eventually, isang tao ang nakakita nito, which is William Bradbury, at siya ang nag-compose ng music for this hymn. Eventually, ang hymn na ito ay nag-spread at nalaman lang later on ni Joseph Gilmore na yung kanya palang song, yung kanya palang sinulat ay naging song na, naging hymn, and is now well loved by many, including me. Kaya, it's really amazing dahil ang song na ito ay composed that time, it's the Civil War. It's a time kung saan marami ang namamatay, and peace is not really the word for that time. Kaya, He leadeth me. When I saw that song once again sa screen this month, it touched my heart dahil sabi doon, He leadeth me, O blessed thought, O words with heavenly comfort fraught, whate'er I do, where'er I'll be, still 'tis God's hand that leadeth me. Can you imagine with me, God, Jesus, leading us? Siya yung kasama natin in our path dito sa ating Christian journey. Sometimes we don't know where to go or ano ang meron sa future. We make our own plans for the future, but we don't realize that it's God's. It is God who's leading us. Sabi sa third stanza, my favorite stanza, Lord, I would clasp thy hand in mine, nor ever murmur nor repine, content whatever lot I see, since 'tis God's hand that leadeth me. It's the hand of Jesus, not far away from us, but clasping our hand. It's that hand that's leading us in our journey. At kung saan naman tayo dalhin, sabi sa second stanza, sometimes mid-scenes of deepest gloom, sometimes where Eden's flowers bloom, by waters calm or troubled sea, still, it's God's hand that leadeth me. By waters, calm or troubled sea, it's God's hand leading us. Kaya, I'm really touched by this realization that Jesus is the one leading us by His hand, and kahit saan man tayo dalhin, we, we, we just need to trust Him. Trust Him. Do I walk to the valley of shadow of death? Kaya sometimes I think na ang aking path dito sa mundo ay uncertain, and hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko alam kung ngayong araw ako ay mamamatay na, because we don't know kung ano ang mangyayari. But why should we fear death if Jesus is with us? And if we are with Him? Sabi sa last stanza, and when my task on earth is done, when by thy grace the victory's won, in death's cold wave I will not flee, since God through Jordan leadeth me. We will not flee, though death come, for it is God through Jordan who will lead us. May you be blessed by this song as you continue to sing it. May